Well, hey guys, in today's review, we're going to talk about this tower fan, and I want to show you guys first how we're going to actually put this thing together. So we're going to start with the base. You see it has two different sides to this. You're going to put these holes in there, just kind of line them up. It snaps in right there, super easy on that. Next, you'll take the cord it comes with, open it up. Actually, it might be easier, just go ahead and fit it through there first. Goes through the bottom there. Then you're going to clip this in. It has a little white kind of clip right there. You're going to look for that. But you're going to clip these in. They have little clips on the sides. They just kind of hook in here. Boom, right there. See the little white thing come in, pops in, clips in. Nice and easy. And it even has a little port right there on the side for this. And there you go. So now you're set up. You can unhook this a little bit and I'll show you all the features of the fan. All right, now that we have the fan set up, you can see I went ahead and plugged it up here behind me. I have it on just the one setting, so it's really light, you can feel it. But again, it's just on the one setting. Cool things I want to show you guys first. It does have a little remote, so you can do just about everything right here on this remote, which is really nice. So that way, if you have it set up on like on the other side of the room, you're able to just hit this, turn off and on, whatever you want to do, which is really neat. But I do want to show you all the functions on the top here. On the top, you have the power button, super easy, really easy to know. Makes a noise so you know if it's off and on. There you go, turn it off and on, really cool. Just kind of going right here, you have a timer. So if that way you want to set a certain timer for your sleep mode or whatever, you can turn this on. It has multiple different settings, all the way from like 1 hour to 12 hours. So you can have that running if you want to make sure your room stays cool and all that kind of stuff. You have the fan number right here, so it kind of can go up and down, all the way to 12. You can hear that, it's pretty loud. I mean, that's pretty strong right there, pumping out some air, which is really nice. Then we can take it back to 1, and that's really cool. Also, the next one, you have the modes. You have, this is just regular blowing mode right here, just like regular air mode. And then you have your next one is like the natural mode. And what this is kind of going to do is going to go up and down. So it's going to go like kind of a little bit stronger, a little bit quieter, a little bit stronger, a little bit quieter. So you got that mode set up. Next, you'll have, again, just like the auto mode. So again, this is gonna, what it's gonna do is kind of like look around the ambient temperature of your area and kind of go up and down, depending on kind of what it feels. If it gets really hot, it's gonna blow hotter. If it gets cold, it's gonna slow down, which is nice. The next one right here, again, this is the sleep mode. It's gonna be quiet, which is really nice. That way, again, at night, you can turn on the different, speeds and stuff like that. It's also gonna go dark. So again, if it's at night, don't want those bright green lights in your eyes. The next one is just back to the normal. So you have all those four modes. So again, just the regular, you have the auto mode, it's gonna kind of go up and down. The natural mode, again, kind of a natural breeze, and that other one for the sleep mode as well. So you've got all those modes. Then you have the oscillator. So if you want it moving, you got the oscillator right here. Again, oscillating on the regular mode. So you see this moving. You'll see it move around, and again, that's kind of what it does, what it sets right there. You even have, you can turn it back off if you want to. You have to hold it down. One of the cool things you can do is oscillating mode. It has multiple different angles, so if you want it to go really wide, you can do that, or if you want it to just kind of move back and forth really small, you can do that as well. It has multiple different sets on that one. Then you also have the screen right here. Really cool screen, you can turn off and on. So whichever one you want to do for your situation. Again, if it's at night, you probably want it off, or if it's during the day, you want it on so you know what the settings are. But really easy to use there. A lot of different modes, and I like, again, that you can go all the way up. And I also like that it has the remote. You also have a just a silencer button, so if you don't want to hear all the different beeps like that, if that's going to be a problem, maybe you have a child or something in the room, you don't want a lot of noise, you can always turn that off and then you won't hear anything, which is nice as well. So I think this is a really cool option. I'm super excited about this. I'm using this in multiple different rooms, probably in my office, where we're going to have this set up where it kind of gets a little warmer. But I think this is a great option, whether it's going to be in like a bedroom or a workout room or just anywhere. It's definitely going to help cool off the room. Even at 5, it feels really cool. And at 12, this thing is cranking, which is really nice. So I think it's really neat. I like, again, all the settings and all the functions on there. Also really easy to use. I like that it has a remote. That's kind of a game changer. So that's a really cool option on that. And then everything is pretty easy to use, and also pretty standard setup right here on the top. All the buttons are great. I like the screen itself. Super easy to use on that. So on the back though, there when you turn it off, it knows. But on the back, I wanted to show you guys, you have the filter right here. So if you're going to clean this, you can, again, vacuum the filter. You can also pop this out. You're going to pop these screws out, and then it's going to pop off right here, this cage, and you can clean off the filter as well. So that way you can get this full clean. So that's really nice. A lot of the fans, even the tower fans that I have in my house, don't really do that. So it's nice to have that setting, that option as well. So overall, I think this is a great fan. Works really well. It's super strong. It's also quiet. Has a lot of cool functions about it. It's not hard to put together, and I definitely think it's going to be a game changer. Works really well for us, and overall, it's going to be something we're super excited. Probably going to fight over to see who gets it in their room. So if you're interested in a tower fan, this is one I highly recommend you check out. If you're interested, I will have a link down below. You can check it out down there. Feel free to leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.